In manufacturing, time is critical, and quality must stay high. Fast and accurate inspection is a must. Introducing the new FHAI inspection from OMRON, a next-generation vision system designed to learn faster, provide simpler setup, and automate complicated inspections. While conventional system takes a long time, OMRON FHAI can reduce the learning time by 90%. Most AI systems need hundreds of images to learn. OMRON's FHAI? Just a handful. With advanced algorithms and built-in pre-processing, it cuts learning time by up to 90%. In 2 easy steps of uploading and identifying the NGs, FHAI is ready to learn. In pharmaceuticals, accuracy is critical. The FH series with AI detects broken pills inside blister packs, ensuring only perfect products reach patients. In the FNC industry, detecting broken biscuits ensures product consistency. The FHAI camera identifies imperfections instantly, even in high-speed lines. In electronics and automotive, tiny flaws can mean big failures. The FHAI camera detects soldering defects with unmatched accuracy, ensuring every connection counts.